happens all throughout the journey. When you're cracking 2 million to 5 million in business, guess what? You've got to undo everything that got you there, undo your thought process, and change the way you view business, change the way you structure systems. Otherwise, you can do 3 million a year and be losing money. And then when you get to 5 million in business and you want to break that 5 to 12 million barrier, guess what? It takes that paradigm shift again. So there are certain benchmarks in business where you need to undo everything you thought you knew about what it took to get there and then start to rebuild your restructure. So even if you're doing $1 million a month in your business, I get called into these businesses, it's like, what's going on? We're spinning our wheels. We're doing multi-millions of dollars, but our profit's down to 7%, and it's a really difficult thing for them to navigate. Well, that's because they've hit one of those moments in business where we actually need to undo and then rebuild. So it happens at the launching phase, it happens at the $2 million phase, it happens at the 5, and then again at the 12. And this is, you could set your watch by it. It's so predictable. That's what makes it so easy for me to come in and say, what's your revenue? I know exactly what your problems are. And if I know your revenue, I know what your problems are, I know exactly where you need to press the button to fix it. And every single time, it's not where you think the problem lies.